The experienced pros want to help you get your business right. Have you joined the revolution? Visit meetup.com/The Revolution and become a business revolutionary. And now, back to Eric and Angel on the Experienced Pros Radio Show.
Welcome back to the Experienced Pros Radio Show with Angel and Eric. Thank you for taking time out of your business day to join us for ours. It's time for our health tip with Dr. Lee.
Dr. Weisbard, welcome to the show.
Good morning.
Well, we are so excited to hear what we have coming from Weisbard Dental. What are we talking about?
Well, February is National Children's Dental Health Month. And I just wanted to kind of remind our viewers how important it is to develop good habits in young children.
Oh, absolutely. I don't know. Is it ever too young to start? I'm certain, it's awfully too young to start when it comes to putting toothpaste. But I remember giving my kids like a little soft little toothbrush just to kind of play with as a little gumming toy when they were little, thinking it was never too young to start.
Exactly. So what it is as soon as they have a tooth that erupts in the mouth, it's a good idea to start. You have a very soft toothbrush, and you let them play with it, and then you brush their teeth, and you kind of get them used to having a toothbrush in their mouth, and you don't use toothpaste when they're that young. They should also have their first dental visit by the age of 2, and then keep on regular dental visits. It's really important to keep close tabs on children as the teeth are developing.
What are some of the bad habits you see, Dr. Weisbard, or the negative effects if you don't start children with good hygiene young enough?
Well, here's a couple of problems. Some parents used to allow their children to sleep in bed in the crib with a bottle.
Right.
And when you put milk or juice in a bottle, it may quiet the child, but the sugars in the milk or the juice will cause decay of the teeth, and it's called nursing bottle caries, and it completely rots their mouth. And it's really heartbreaking when you see these babies with rotted teeth, and then they have to put stainless steel crowns, and they extract teeth, and it's just so heart-wrenching.
All right, but Dr. Lee, what about this? What about replacing that with, I only know it as the binky?
Well, it's better. It's better. A bottle of water is good. But it's never a good idea to put a baby to bed with anything other than water in the bottle. And a binky can cause orthodontic problems later.
That's what I've heard.
If they're still sucking on that, at 5 and 6 years old or even 4 years old. But if some babies need a binky and if that's what they need to soothe, I personally don't have a huge issue with it. Some children's dentists may.
Okay, so Dr. Weisbard, you said starting at 2. What do you do with a toddler in the dentist chair at the age of 2?
Well, we do something called a happy visit. We bring them in with mom or dad. They sit in a chair. They get comfortable coming in. We count their teeth, and children should have 20 teeth. By about 2 or 3 years old, they should have 20 teeth, and we just talk about it. We get them comfortable. The other thing I really wanted to emphasize is that we're finding a resurgence in cavities in kids. And part of that is this whole bottled water thing, and there's no fluoride in bottled water. And kids who get used to drinking bottled water are really low on fluoride. So it's important that kids get to drink tap water or fluoridated water.
Oh, my gosh, there's always so much. There's always so much. This is why we've got you here with our health tip every week, Dr. Weisbard. Give our listeners some contact information for Weisbard Dental.
They can reach me at 303-773-3373 or weisbarddental.com. Again, we do complimentary happy visits for kids for their first couple of visits to just get them comfortable in a dental office. If a child comes to our office and we feel they have needs that exceed the practice, we send them to a specialist, and we have a number of very skilled specialists who are pedodontists. Pediatric dentists who do a great job for the kids.
You know what? I need a happy visit to Dr. Weisbard. What's the phone number?
303-773-3373.
Find them online at weisbarddental.com. And I'll tell you something, every visit is a happy visit. And Dr. Weisbard is my dentist.
Dr. Weisbard, thank you so much for our tip this week.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Isn't she great?
You know what? Always, always. And I sure appreciate just, it's never too early to start thinking about your teeth. Your
Absolutely.
smile is something that you take with you forever.